What's the matter? Huh? Oh. Say, I love you. I love you. Toby. Turn around, let me see you. You hate the camera, don't you? Huh? I love you, Toby. Sit down. Now, what is it? What is it? Really? Is it that bad? So what do you want? She's not going to get your food. I won't let her. I promise. I won't let her get it. I know. Had to take a drink break. Geez, you aren't thirsty, are you, Toby? Don't bring it to Mom. What are you doing? What are you doing? Toby. Toby. You don't want to talk no more? Huh? Talk? Just a little bit? Well, turn around here. Let me see you. What is it? Okay, this is Tobe. Mysterious Granny. We out of here. Peace out.